Today we are going to start with the case. Now you remember that in the character functions also we had done the lowercase and uppercase, but over there it was with a particular character. So we were using character dot to lowercase and character dot to uppercase. Now over here, as it is a string function, you can see there is no specific character or something. You are using the variable over here. If you see in the first one, to lowercase, string A equals to Arya Publishing, right? Now the variable over here, A, has got the value Arya Publishing. So A, which has got the content Arya Publishing, dot to lowercase. So whatever the value is there, it's getting stored in string S. And as you see, Arya Publishing, A is capital and P is capital. Other all letters are small. So what it will do, it will convert everything into small letters. Whatever is small will be remaining as small, and whatever is capital will get converted to small. Clear with this, everyone?
No.
Yes.
Okay. So this function converts all the character of this string basically in small letters, and as it is converting the whole string, it's not going with each and every character. The whole string will immediately get converted to lowercase. So the return data type for it is string. Exactly the same is the uppercase, only the difference is here it converts it into into capital letter. So if you see Arya Publishing, all the letters except A and P are small, so that converts the whole thing to uppercase. I hope both the functions are clear. The next function is concat. Now concat over here is basically for joining. Concat is basically for joining. So as you can see, string A equals to Arya and B has got publishing. Now I have separated the two values into different variables, A and B. So the function combines the two string together, and the return data type, as you know, it's string because it's joining the two. Now the main point over here is it does not leave blank space. Okay, so as I'm having Arya and publishing, both the values will be joined together and the output will be there. In case if you want a blank space, either it should be before P or both will be coming together. I hope all the three routes are clear. Okay, I'll go for the next.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am, can you show that slide again?
okay, yes.
Ma'am, here was A dot concat A, then what would it be?
There is nothing to concat. Concat basically means joining. It is joining both the strings. When you say Arya has to concat with Arya, then where is the second value? It's the same. So it will remain just the value Arya. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, I have
Yeah.
a doubt.
Yeah.
Continue,
Ma'am, can we join three strings?
Okay. One sec. Everyone, please mute it. One by one, it should be there. Yes.
Ma'am, can we join three strings using this concat?
No. It is only two. One with concat the second one. There is one more function which is almost like concat, but it's not a function basically. You can use it with the plus sign. The string, when you add plus, see, for numeric data, when you're using the plus, it gives you the total. Same thing for string, when you use the plus sign, it joins it together. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vedant.
ma'am, for the contact might be a string as B contact A, then it would be publishing Arya, right?
Perfect. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yeah. I'm moving to the next.
ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, if there will be like a white space before P in publishing, so it will be Arya space publishing.
Correct. So you have to add the blank space, but normally you don't put a blank space unnecessarily to a variable. Okay. So in that case, it will join both the things together. This question, especially when it comes to the, in the question paper and all, you have to be very careful and check whether there is a blank space or not in the beginning or at the end. So based on that, the output will be there. Okay, many a time the question comes that, the same question, but P would have got a space before it. In that case, it will give a space. So when you're seeing the question, just see it properly. If you see over here, I have not given a blank space. Okay?
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
I'm moving further.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I have just given a program over here. String A equals to computer, B application, C science. Now, I want you all to, if you want, write it Fine. Otherwise, we'll start solving it. Now here I'll be asking for each and every name. According to the name, only the person is going to answer. I don't want unnecessarily people to be giving me the answers. Okay. I'm just giving you 1 minute. Please solve it fast. If you see, I have asked string A1 equals to A dot 2 uppercase. Now, A dot 2 uppercase, that is the word computer, will get into capital letter and get stored into A1. B1 would be B dot 2 lowercase. So the application would get converted into lowercase. I have used C dot concat B1. Now C is signs, and B1 is application, but in small letters. The next is, here I have used the plus sign. As I was telling you, if you have more than 2 things to concat, you can always use the plus sign also. So I have just used over here A plus. I have given a blank space over here plus A1. Okay. Now I want Sarakshi to give me the answer for A1.
A1, ma'am.
Yeah.
The word computer all will be in block letters.
That is capital. Perfect.
Yes.
Okay. Then I want Advaita to give me the answer for B1. Advaita,
Yes, ma'am.
B1.
Ma'am, B1, ma'am, the word application will be full small. Sorry, no, not full small. The A will become small and the rest will remain the same.
So that is all small letters, correct?
Huh.
Yeah. Okay. Now that was Advaita. I want Sahasi to give me the answer for ANS. Sahasi,
Science and application.
would be there any blank space?
No.
How would be the signs coming?
The science theme will be the same.
What is that same? All small letter, all capital letter? Have I
The S will
changed?
be capital and then the others will be small.
Perfect. Because I
Like
have
it
not
is
changed anywhere C, the signs word S as small. So it will remain S capital, signs, and application would be all in small letters, correct?
Ma'am, I didn't understand this.
Who's this?
Ma'am, Parag.
Paraj. Paraj, if you see, nowhere I have given C as lowercase or to uppercase. So the C has got the value signs. It will remain as it is. Okay. And dot concat B1. Now B1 has got all the letters small. So the application word would be in small letter. So what the output would be, signs where S is capital and application together without a blank space. Is it fine?
Okay.
Paraj, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Your doubt is clear now, Paraj?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ANS 1. Simran,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the answer for ANS 1?
ANS1 will be computer.
All in capital, all in small, or anything other?
It'll be in capital. Computer will come in capital.
A.
No, A will be just like it'll be lowercase and A1 will come in capital.
Perfect. All capital.
Because it says A1 to uppercase.
Okay. So, would be there any blank space in our?
Yes.
Simran, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's.
Ma'am, I had a doubt in this.
Yeah.
I didn't understand this one, ANS1.
Mehak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mehak, if you see in ANS1, the variable over here. 1 second. My mouse. 1 second. Yeah. If you see the if you see the ANS1 equal to A plus, there's a blank space, plus A1, correct?
Yes.
Now, if you see A has got computer, which is all in small letter.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have got a blank space, which I have stored.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And after that A1, which is all in capital letter, the variable a dot to uppercase has been stored to a1. So that is capital. So your output over here is computer small space and computer capital.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. So Mehak, fine. Are you all clear with it? So I'll go to the next one. Now this is the function where you can actually replace a particular word or a letter. Let's say, I hope you all understand the meaning of replace. It's like changing it. Okay. So here I have got string A equals to Arya Publishing. Now in that, if you see A dot replace I comma E. Now they both are character. That's the reason I have put it in single quotes. Okay. Now wherever I'll find the letter I, that will get changed to E. So A, it will start with checking from the first letter itself. A, R, Y, A, blank space, P, U, B, L, I. It has found a I. So that will get changed to E. S, H, again there is an I. So that will again get changed to E, N, G. So basically this function replaces all the occurrence of the character I with E in the given string. Okay. And as it is replacing the character and storing at the position of it with the letter which is not there, it will be as it is. So in that case, the output has to be in the string data type. Okay. Now that was for the character. If you are changing the whole word, now when I say word, it is blank space. After the blank space, whatever is there till the next blank space is considered as one token, or you can call it as one word. So here again Arya Publishing, and I have changed the word wherever it finds publishing to change it to company. Now publishing is more than one letters, so I'm using the double quotes. Remember, you have to be very careful with the single quotes and the double quotes. So this function again here replaces the occurrence wherever the word publishing is there with the word company. The first one is the original one, which has to be changed to the next one in the given string. So the return data type, as discussed, is supposed to be in string, and you get the output as Arya company. Is it fine? Any doubt?
Ma'am.
Yeah, Piyush.
Ma'am, can blank space be replaced by a letter?
Yeah, you can. Wherever you can just blank space. If I say it's a single letter, okay. So what I'll do, I'll give single quotes, blank space, close the single bracket, and comma with whatever the letter. Let's say I'm going with E. So wherever it finds the blank space, it will replace it with E. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, I didn't understand the Arya Publishing one.
Arya Publishing, which one? Single character or the whole word?
Yeah, ma'am. The whole word.
Okay. A whole word is, see, when you have a blank space, after that it starts till it gets the next blank space. It is considered as one word in your normal way also. Okay. If I say Janvi, Janvi is one word. So if I want to replace the word Janvi with student, okay, so I'll be putting Janvi in double quotes, comma, the next word, let's say I want student. So the next word would be student instead of company. And after I press, it would be, wherever it finds the word Janvi would be getting changed to student. Getting it?
Okay, ma'am, I understood. Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Now, let's solve this. Again, the same way, I'll be calling out the student's name, and they'll be giving me the answer. Okay. A equals to computer application, C equals to English literature, A1 equals to A dot replace P with the star. Now, I want Siri to give me the answer for system.out.println A1.
A1?
Yeah.
Ma'am, it will be
Just please mute it. I can hear a lot of noise. Yeah.
COM star UTER. And
blank space.
Blank space and application.
Application would be there?
Yes.
Whole thing?
No. The blank space divided.
So A star star LICATION? Because again it is finding the letter P.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you just repeat the answer again, Siri?
Okay, COM star UTER and then a blank space A star star LICATI1.
Perfect. Clear with it? Now, next, string B1 equals to A dot replace the word application with signs. Samriddhi? Samriddhi?
Yeah, ma'am, it will be computer science. Computer
Space?
space science.
If you see signs SS capital, so exactly the same way it will be displaying over there. Fine? Okay. Now, so system.out.println C dot replace E with A. Now this I want Tanishka. Can you?
Ma'am, can you repeat your voice was breaking?
Okay, I said system.out.println C dot replace E with A. So C has got English literature. You're supposed to replace every place where E is there with A. Can you give me the answer, Tanishka?
Yes.
Yeah.
So the output will be ANGLISH blank space LITARATURA.
Perfect. Is it fine? Okay. Next, system.out.println C dot replace literature with language Z.
Ma'am, the output would be English, then space, then language.
Perfect.
That will be coming.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Everyone?
Ma'am, one doubt.
Nishant, who's that?
Yeah, me.
Yeah, Nishant.
Ma'am, won't A be replaced by E if it's replacing A? Ma'am, if E is replacing A, then won't be A replaced by E?
No, the first is the original one, which has to be replaced by the second one. Okay, if you want A to be changed, then the position has to change. A would be coming and which would be getting replaced by E. The first is the original letter, which needs to be changed by giving comma the other letter. Okay, Nishan?
Ma'am, for changing both, then there will be something else, right?
There are two different replace.
Okay.
You can store this in one variable and then change it into the another variable. Okay? Yeah. Everyone, anyone else who has got the doubt? Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in contact method. You said that we can only contact two strings together, right?
Correct. If I'm using the function concat.
What do you mean by function?
If it is more than 2, instead of using concat, or I can do one thing, join the 2 with the concat, store it in a variable, again use that variable and go for the next word. Or
I wrote a program and I was able to contact more than 2 or more.
You were able to do?
Yes.
With the help of concat itself?
Yes.
So how did you use the bracket part and all?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is possible. See how what you have done is you have joined the 2. Whatever is the output, that you're joining it in the system.out.println, correct?
No, see, ma'am, I wrote like this. String, I took a variable string s6 equals to, I stored some variables in, I stored, I took s1 as one string and I stored Mumbai in that, and s2 in s2 Goa, s3 Chandigarh, s4 Delhi. So I made another string s5 and I wrote s1 dot contact s2 bracket में फिर dot contact s3 bracket में फिर dot contact
The whole thing was in one statement itself?
Yes, ma'am.
With one bracket only, or n number of brackets were there?
Means contact the पहले वाले में s1 dot contact and bracket के अंदर s2 फिर dot contact s bracket के अंदर s3.
Correct. So in that case, what it is doing, it is taking the first value, joining it and using it in the second function, joining it and using it. That is possible. Okay, because you're using n number of brackets. Okay, so it's like whatever would be the output will come out of one bracket to the next one, again that to the next one. That is possible. But if I just want to give s1.concat, s2.concat, s3.concat, s4 is not possible. I have to take the help of the brackets. Okay.
I was confused when you were telling to someone else. I think Sharakshi. That's
Okay, okay. So this is clear with your doubt?
Yes.
Yeah. Now comes the function equals, where it is going to check whether both are same or not. Now here it is just checking whether the two strings what the user is giving are exactly the same or not. It is case sensitive in the part when it is using the function equals. So it checks whether the two strings are equal or not and returns the data type, like as I say you, it's like whether, tell me whether both are same or not. So you're going to give me the answer either yes or no. So that is, it is supposed to be in Boolean type. Output, as you can see here, we though the whole word is same, exactly the same, but the B is changed. B, one place a small letter, the other place it is capital. So the output is coming as false. But the same function, if I extend it with the word ignore case, so it is not taking the care of the case and it does the same thing. It checks whether the two strings are equal or not, and it gives the return data type again as Boolean. So here it is ignoring with the both B letter and it will give you the output as true or false. Okay? Any doubt, anyone? For the, Vedant?
Ma'am, in equals ignore case, won't it ignore the white space?
White space, am I checking for it? If it is, yeah, it will check with that. It won't ignore. It is ignoring only the case. The word itself says equals ignore case. So only whether the letters, if I'm giving a blank space, it will check for a blank space.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Now, exactly the same of equals, we have one more function that is called as compare to. Now, this is a bit difficult. Difficult in the sense you have to be very attentive with listening part. Here, in the previous one, where it was just giving me the answer as true or false. But over here, it is going to check for the ASCII value of both of it. Okay, so the two strings, if you see B and capital B. Let's go with the word for, okay, over here, one thing very important, it will start checking from the 0 position. If the 0 position, both the letters are same, it will go to the 1 position, then to the 2, then to the 3, till the time it doesn't get a difference. Now, if you see in our example, you can see both the first position, that is at the 0 index position itself, the letters are different. It's B in small and B in capital. Now, if you remember, the ASCII value of small b starts with 97. So it has got a higher value comparative to small b, which starts from 65. So this is supposed to be 66. Over there it is 98. You are supposed to take the difference of it.
98 minus.
No. It's not 98 minus. It's both the at the first position, like see, it is going to check with the ASCII value. The result may be either positive or negative when I'm checking with the case part. Okay, that is up is a positive number, it's a higher number, and down it's a lower number, ASCII value. Okay, so it will give me the answer in positive. Fine. If the capital B would have been up and the small b would have been down, I would have got the answer in negative. Okay, Zain?
I didn't understand.
Ma'am, so like if it would have been int ans is equal to b dot compared to a, then it would have been a negative answer.
One sec. What?
If int ans is equal to b dot compared to a, so then the output will be negative.
Correct. The number would be in negative. See, let's be the word BB only. Okay, but only the thing is, up it has got capital B and down it has got small b. So the capital B has got the number 66 and down the number is 97. So down number is higher. In that case, it will give you a negative number. That is how your maths calculation also goes, right?
Yes.
Okay. So when you, as you know, the difference between each alphabet, capital and small, is 32. So here, if you subtract both the number, you're getting the number 32. But because it is the smaller one up, it will give you a negative value. Any doubt?
No. Thank you,
Compared
ma'am.
to. Yes, Anup.
Ma'am, ma'am, suppose like there were two letters that were in like different cases. Suppose in string B, like the E was like capital as well. So like when
No,
we
it won't go.
do
See,
A
okay.
dot compared to
Ha
B,
ha. Now here
yeah,
it will
suppose
go.
there were.
Yeah, Anup, how it will go, it will start from checking from the first one. If the first was same, then only it will shift to the second one. If
Oh,
the
okay. So
first
it'll
one is
ignore the
itself
second
different,
one.
it is not going further. It will just stop over there.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Anyone?
I didn't understand this.
Who's Paran? Paran, you know the ASCII value?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the ASCII value of small b?
Ma'am, it is.
Okay, ASCII value starts from?
Wait a minute, let me think.
Okay, Vedant?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the ASCII value of small a to z?
Small a to z 97 to.
Okay, so 97, that is capital. Small b would be 98.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. And down, the first one is capital B. Okay, so what is the ASCII value of it is 66. If you subtract both of it, it gives you the answer 32.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes,
Paran?
ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now the next one, actually this function has been started from last year only. Before this, we were not having this function in our syllabus. That is compared to ignore case. Now again, it is comparing the same thing. It is going on with the ASCII value. You may get the answer in, it will again do the subtraction part, but here it is not taking the case. So if I go with capital B and small b, if I subtract, that way it gives me the value as 32 or minus 32. But as I'm ignoring the case part, it is going to give me the answer 0. So I'll go to the next letter. L, L, again both are same, so 0. U, U, so 0. E, E, 0. J, J, 0. So finally I'll get the answer 0. Okay?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah, Vedant.
Ma'am, white भी है क्या ASCII value?
32. I think I have told you last time.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I did not understand this ignore.
Ignore case. See, it is not taking care of the, like how I had in the compare to function, the capital B and small b. If you see, both are b, but it's case different. So if you subtract the ASCII value of it, it will give you the value as 32. But the same thing, if I'm using an ignore case, it is comparing both of it as same, because both are b. Whether I say capital or small, the sound is going to be b only. Okay, the letter is supposed to be recognized as b. So in that case, it is not checking with the ASCII, it is checking with the ASCII value, but as both are same letter, the output would be 0. If instead of B, let's say it would have been L, let's say it was D. So there is a difference between D and B of 2. So it will give the output 2.
Yeah, okay.
Okay?
Ma'am,
Yeah, no?
another doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am, suppose like the strings were of two different sizes. Suppose the first one had just 5 letters and the second one had 6 letters. So what would the output be?
We are going to solve that. I'll just show you that after this. I'll show you.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, अभी आपने you have taken string A as blue, J का B small and J capital. If you have taken J also small, then
So then it is still the same, na? If I say both as BB, it will give me the output 0. In the compare to function, it was like one was small letter, the other was capital, and it is not.
Ma'am, compare to की बात है. I was not compare to.
I'm talking about compare to only.
नहीं मैम मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ कि जो ब्लू जे का जे है ना वो भी स्मॉल रहता तो डिफरेंस क्या आता आंसर क्या आता
In which one?
But ma'am ने बोला ना.
One sec. Vedant, just be quiet. Z, it will check the first letter. If both are small b, then it will go to the second one. L, both are small l, leave it. Go to the next one. U, both are same, leave it. E, leave it. The next one, J capital and let's say J small. Okay?
वो मैम मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि अभी कंपेयर B small रखे हो तो और आप J भी small रखे हो मतलब
नहीं तो it is not going only till that position. The first difference, as soon as it finds, it will give you the difference of it and display it. It is not going to the second letter. So as it is not going to the second, third, fourth, nothing. The first answer, whatever is the difference, it will give that.